Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing here? And in this video I want to show you how to open your Clickbank account in Nigeria or any bank country from Clickbank. So in my last video I did in 2019. That video was solved. They said in the middle it was skipping in between middle, so most of them are unable to get it. So now I'm dropping a free PDF on how you can open Clickbank account in Nigeria or Bangladesh or any other country that are blacklisted from open Clickbank account. So these are three notes you should take note. These three things you take note before opening Clickbank account. First, you need a Pioneer account. Second, you need a Gmail account, and also you need a name you haven't already used before. If you have registered a Clickbank account with a VPN and your account get blocked, please don't use the same name again. And also the payment name, which is the Pioneer account you are going to use, don't use the same name again. So when you get blocked, you don't use the same name again and over and over again. And also there's someone that messaged me on my WhatsApp that told me that I'm using VPN in my tutorial, and I told him no, I don't use a VPN in my tutorial. The reason why I don't use VPN that I forgot to open the VPN or to start the VPN when I'm opening my browser, and then next thing I see is I got blocked. So there is a specific browser stated in this video, which was Epic browser. The browser was embedded with VPN, and what I always use that browser for is for only VPN only. So please don't use VPN. You might forget to on your VPN when you want to start your browser, and your account will get blocked immediately. I've been using Epic browser for like maybe 6 months ago or to 7 months ago, and my account have never get blocked because this browser is embedded with a VPN, and when you start it, just click on it on the any location that you want, and it will be there. So it is 9 a.m. in the morning. This is Sunday, and this is let me check the dates here, and this is January 5. So I'm doing this free giveaway. Normally I sell this ebook for 5,000, 7,000 naira only, but now I'm giving it for free for the sake of those who want to open Clickbank account in their own way. So there is a link in the description below. You want to click on the link and download this free PDF for your own sake. So, and if you need any question you want to ask me, I got my WhatsApp number. You can comment below. I will reply you as soon as possible. So please don't be too sticking with this video. Like this video, share it, and subscribe. And every time I drop a new video, I will notify you on what to do, or maybe promoting Clickbank offer, free landing page, free email marketing leads, how to get leads, how to cut targeted leads from any other social media platform. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.